Hey guys, JH here. Nice to finally meet you guys face to face in a proper video. So I want to show you guys my station. This is where all the magic happens. This is where we catch all the pips, make all the money. Basically, this video is going to be about how I made 500 pips in a few hours on gold, and specifically September 21, because a lot of people were asking me how are you so confident trading that when we were selling gold back then. So yeah, so before you start trading, make sure you always take your vitamins. You always, you know, there's vitamin D, you gotta take that every 2 days. You gotta stock up with some magnesium. Magnesium's fucking good. I'm not promoting these brands or anything. I'm just saying, take your magnesium, keeps you calm, keeps you relaxed in trading. And yeah, let's get to the charts now. All right, so let's get to the charts. Gold 4-hour chart. So on September 21st, sell gold 1767, TP1 1764 up to TP 1752, stop loss 1777. All right, so that day was a bit dodgy. There were some fake moves. We did extend the stop loss and resold. So what happened was, this is an easy price action game, okay? So drop, you have to look at the previous drops. Drop, then we made a base right here. So this could be called a base and then drop. All right, so the way you'd look at this is the previous support became the new resistance. It's very, very simple. There's no crazy indicators. There's nothing going on here. It's really just simple price action. So the previous support became resistance because we broke below. So this was basically the retest, okay? So this was the retest level. We retested it and we sold from there again. Okay, so the first entry was at the first wick, almost, well. And the second entry was literally at the middle of this bar. What happened is the trade kept going up and it got rejected literally at the previous wick of support, which became resistance, and it went back down. Later on, you can see a big crash happen. So right here we took on a lot of pips, so we can see, because we resold at 1778. So TP1, 30 pips here. Well, you can see that we did smash all the TPs because the last TP was at 1760 here. So this went way below 1750. Even the first entry, last TP was, sorry, here we go. Last TP was 1752. This went all the way down to 1752. We smashed it all the way down. TP, 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 TP2, and it just kept coming. Basically, there was FOMC news at that day, and we finished it off with 500 pips. Now, the same thing happened when we revisited that area. So I'd use the same strategy, literally, because sometimes they do visit the zone twice. Okay, so let's take a good look at this right now. Move the drawings. Again, right here, October 8th. So this is in the free channel, by the way. I'm sending a lot of good signals on the free channel. Let's go to October 8th. Skim through this real quick. All right, we're almost here. Sell limit gold 1772. All right, so what happened here? Literally, it's the same thing. We're going to revisit the previous new resistance at almost the same place that we had before. So 1772, first entry, and look at that fake wick up. All right, so Same thing, literally, boom, just fell down directly, and we hit the last two TPs. We even added a sell 1777, so that's another day that we made 500 pips using this same entry. Literally, if you just use the same entry, same analysis twice, this one would have made, wait, let's count them. 40, 70, 70, 140 plus 40, so 180, 180 plus 120, 300, so 460 pips on that day. October 8th, 460 pips. 460 pips, and the one for it right here, we made 500 pips. So all you need to do is just wait for these entries. Now we could see that it visited the zone one more time on October 13th. Yet I did not sell that day, and usually I didn't do that because on the third test, usually the price breaks, there's a high chance, let's say a much higher chance, that the price is gonna break above the resistance. So I did not resell there. So just put it as a rule: first time take it, second time take it, be a bit more cautious with the lot size, third time just watch, observe the trade, see what happened. And as we can see, it did break above and flew to 1800 even, and then crashed back down later on news on interest rates. So yeah, so what do we look for again? I'm just gonna go through it one last time for you guys. Let's remove the drawings. Very simple price action. Drop, base, drop. Then we went for the retest. You sell at the new resistance, back down. It retested second time. This one's a bit early, so retested a second time right here, dropped again. Third retest here, you don't take it. Third one, you never take it, just wait, you observe. And yeah, that's how you make 1,000 pips in a week just on 2 trades. You just took 2 trades, 2 entries. You know, you need to keep trading as minimal as possible and as effective as possible. So this is what trading's about. It's not about oh I need to trade today, I need to make some money today. You can make one money in a day that will be sufficient for the whole week. Just a good trade, one very good trade. On the other hand, you can take, you know, a lot of people and just go and they go in and trade every day. Okay, they lose and then they have to make the money back. So you can just, obviously you can't win every trade out there, but it'll just save you the time of recovering more, having more stuff to recover, having more money to recover. So recover as much as possible with the minimum losses, and take the most quality trades. Keep it simple. Don't put too many indicators in there. Indicators are useful, but you should just keep it simple. Keep trading very simple. Use the indicators as tools to tell you, to help you just know the direction. If you're doing something right, it adds confidence to the trading. So yeah, I think this one basically covers why we took these trades. Well, in a very simple sense. There is some more things to it, but I'm just giving you the cherry on top with this video. And yeah, take your magnesium, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you know, keep trading simple. It's very important that you keep trading very simple. A lot of people on YouTube keep giving these bullshit strategies that work maybe once every few months, or they're not consistent, and they just bombard you with a lot of indicators. You know, the market's all price action, so just keep everything simple, and don't overtrade. That's very important. Don't overtrade. Don't trade the news. keep it fly, and just join the free channel. Again, it's a free channel. You don't have to pay shit, you know. We got 5,000, 6,000 members getting free signals in there. You like it, you're most welcome to join the VIP. There's more signals there. You don't want to join VIP, you can stay in the free channel. I'm gonna keep sending free signals there. You can enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with if you think anyone would benefit from this strategy. And I wish you guys the best of luck. Thank you, and have a nice day.